The Bharat Bandh by farmers all across India. The remarkable bit was that the protests remained peaceful. Emergency services weren't blocked. The vegetable and fruit mandis were closed. Metros and in most cases transport also ran as well. This is now 13 days since the farmers have been on protest at the Delhi borders. Currently, their representatives are meeting with the Home Minister Amit Shah. But today's protests around the country, the farmers' Bharat Bandh.
For the first time after days of protest, the mega Delhi-Meerut expressway remained blocked completely for 4 hours today. But largely, the epicenter of the farmer protest remained as it has been for the last fortnight.
अंदाजन 10,000 जगहों पे देश में ये बंद ऑब्जर्व किया गया है, अलग-अलग लेवल पे, अलग-अलग तरीके से.
Telangana ministers blocked national highways as part of Bharat Bandh. K.T. Ramarao, Municipal Administration Minister and Chief Minister KCR's son, sat on NH44 that connects Hyderabad with Bengaluru, stopping traffic for 2 hours.
I think this is just the beginning, because I believe once the word spreads to every farmer of this country, that these bills in fact will take away their basic primary rights. You know, MSP is the primary right of every farmer of this country, which was guaranteed since the 60s. Now today this government, through these 3 acts, has literally put it in the domain of the corporates to decide and dictate.
The TRS had opposed the bills in Parliament, with the BJP emerging as the main opposition in Telangana after the recent municipal elections. No surprise that TRS went all out. In Andhra Pradesh, both the ruling YSRCP and opposition Telugu Desam had supported the farm bills in Parliament, but today expressed support for the farmers' call for Bandh. Neither party wanting to be seen as anti-farmer. Agriculture Minister said they had demanded MSP assurance to farmers even in Parliament. In BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow's biggest fruit and vegetable mandi was shut all day in solidarity with protesting farmers.
Some estimates say that at least 15 to 16,000 farmers come here to sell their produce on a daily basis. This is predominantly a fruit and vegetable mandi. Today, however, in solidarity with the Bharat Bandh, you can see that there's no one here. On a normal day, one wouldn't even have space to stand at the location where I am.
यहाँ किसानों को ही पैसा मिलता है, तो हम लोगों को तो कमीशन मिलता है, जैसे कि 2% या 2.5% या 3%, बाकी तो पैसा सारा किसान को ही मिलता है. और जैसे सरकार कह रही है कि किसान को कुछ नहीं मिला, जो ये बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां हैं ये किसान को कुछ भी नहीं देंगी, क्योंकि जैसे हमारे पास किसान लेके आया, उसने कहा भैया इसमें मेरी 15-16 रुपए की लागत लगी, तो हम उसको ये कोशिश करते हैं कि इसका 20 का बिकेगा, तब तो ये दोबारा मंडी आएगा, वरना नहीं आएगा.
The maximum impact of the Bandh in West UP, with many national highways blocked. In Hapur, farmers making way for this ambulance before assuming their chakka jam. In West Bengal, Mamata Banerjee said she fully supported the agitation against the farm laws, but did not want a Bandh that would hurt the poor. Instead, a protest at Gandhi statue.
किसानों को खून दे के लिखा है ये आईन नहीं मानेगा. अभी आज से गांधी मूर्ति का पदरस में हम लोग आंदोलन चल रही है. प्रधानमंत्री को ये आईन बातिल करने ही होगा.
The left parties led protests and stopped traffic. Politburo member Biman Bose led a march in support of the Bandh in Kolkata.
Farmers categorically they have declared till they are repealing the act, there is no question of dialogue.
In Maharashtra, farmers' unions took to the streets, copies of the farm bill were burned, and at some places the protest took the form of chakka jams. Social activist Anna Hazare observed a day's fast in support of farmers.
सब किसानों का मानना है कि ये कानून घातक है, इसलिए 12 दिन से अनशन चल रहा है.
With Monideepa Banerjee in Kolkata, Alok Pandey in Lucknow, Uma Sudhir in Shadnagar for NDTV.